All right, welcome to the Fabulous Marketer Show. I'm Kelsey Simon, your host and affiliate marketing coach. Today is all about choosing the right product to promote. Yep, the right product to promote because without the right offer, your marketing engine will stall before it ever gets on the road. Here's what's coming up in today's episode. All right, we have our Freedom Fix segment. And we're going to talk about why 99% of new affiliates choose the wrong product. Then we have our flea insight segment where we'll talk about matching your flea persona to your product type. Then we have our coaches corner where we'll talk about what seasoned affiliates look for in products. And then finally, we have another resource drop. And today's resource drop is my offer fit matrix plus a starter affiliate product list. All right, so let's get started with the Freedom Fix. It's Freedom Fix time. All right, let's get into it. The number one mistake, all right, choosing products you wouldn't buy yourself. Most new affiliates chase commissions without considering whether the product fits their values, fits their audience, or fits their long term goals. You have to ask yourself, would you buy it? Would you buy it? Would you choose? Why make that mistake of choosing a product that you wouldn't even buy yourself? What about this? Here's another question. Would you recommend it to your family? If you wouldn't buy it and you wouldn't recommend it to your family, then why choose to promote it? If the answer is no, then stop right there when it comes to choosing a product to promote, right? We're talking about choosing the right products to promote today. Let's get to the second segment. Let's get into the fleet insight. All right, so let's pull in the fleet engine or match your product to your persona. That's what we want to do. All right, remember the FMA resource that we previously provided in a previous episode, the Platform Personality Matching Guide. Remember that one? You can find it in the Fabulous Marketer Academy resource section under show episodes. But if you're a promoter, for example, um, a low ticket viral product might be your jam, right? A low ticket viral product because you're a promoter, right? You got the juice, you got the energy, you can promote it, right? It's a viral product. But what about if you're a builder? If you're a builder, then you'll probably thrive promoting tools or systems or platforms. If you want help with this, check out episode two's resource drop. It's called Platform Personality Matching Guide. That's going to help you out tremendously. All right, segment three is coaching corners time. All right, so in our coaches corner for today, I have a coach's tip for you. All right, use the three P's. Use the three P's for as a product fit test. All right, here's what top affiliates ask before promoting a product. They use these three P's. Top affiliates ask this before. All right, profit. Is it worth my time? First P. Is it worth my time? Second P. Position. Does it align with my personal brand? And the final P. Performance. Is the offer proven to convert? And here's a bonus tip I want to throw in there. Use affiliate networks like Digistore, Impact, and even ClickBank to scout. Right? You can do a scout these places out. All right, and it's going to help you to go through this process of using these three P's to do a product fit test. Ask these questions: Is it worth my time? Does it align with my personal brand? Is the offer proven to convert? All right, now it's time for some chat. All right, like I said, we got some live chat going on, and if you're not participating live, then I want you to participate on the replay. All right, participate if it's just even if it's recorded. Whatever comment section you have, use the comment or chat section below. And here's what I want for you. I want you to do this. Drop in the chat, what product are you promoting? I want to know. What product are you promoting? Or if you're not promoting a product, what product are you thinking of promoting? All right, now this is not an opportunity to drop a link in the chat. All right, we're not gonna spam our chat. All right, let's keep it let's keep it high quality. All we want to do is engage. This is our topic. What product are you promoting? We're gonna take a look, and what I'll do is I want to evaluate or I want to review a few in the comments. All right, and offer some tips on positioning or even improving your offer fit because I don't know if it's a fit for you, right? Think about your persona. Think about, the three P's. Ask yourself those three questions, all right? And then what we want to get out of this is we want to make sure that it's a great fit because you want to make sure your offers fit you. And you're not just doing it for a commission. All right. So I'll move on before I get off on a tangent on that. So I want to talk about our resource drop for today. What is the resource drop? This today is a two-in-one FMA vault drop. So you want to download the free two-in-one show episodes vault drop inside the FMA community. And what you're going to get, you got your offer fit matrix. And this offer fit matrix is designed to help you score any product before you promote it. How awesome is that? So you get to literally come up with a score to help you make a decision on if you should promote something or not. And then the next thing is a starter affiliate product list. And this is broken down by persona and niche. So if you're trying to make a decision on whether or not it's a great product for you to promote based on your persona, based on the niche that you're in, then this starter affiliate product list is going to help you. Where can you find it? It's inside of the show episodes vault under resources inside of the Fabulous Marketer Academy. All right. So I hope that's going to help out. And I know it will. If you make a decision to use it, it's definitely going to help. All right. So now it's action time. Before we go, we always have to define what action looks like because we're all about progression, right? So do you want help choosing? Then I want to help you to choose your products. All right. So how are you going to choose the right product? Well, first join the FMA community. If you're not in a community, how are you going to access the resources? How are you going to participate in the conversation? All right. Join that. And after you join the community, you also going to find an opportunity to access our Freedom 1K coaching system. If you're somebody who's overwhelmed by choices or you're stuck in a niche confusion, then remember, I coach affiliates. That's what I do. I coach affiliates every day inside the Freedom 1K coaching system that's in our community. So access it now inside our FMA community, and you can join tier 1 of the challenge, and we'll get you unstuck really fast. All right. I'll give you ample opportunities to get some free coaching, and then we have higher levels of coaching, just but it's all based upon your growth and development. But you start where you are and I'll meet you where you're at, and we grow together. Okay, so take some action. What's coming up next? Well, we've got a powerful episode coming up next in episode 4. So if you've following along from episode 4 is awesome. It's all about building your brand foundation from scratch. We'll walk through tools, name generators, audience clarity, and brand storytelling. See you in episode 4. Be fabulous.